Hi, I've just received this box from the Purelator, and it's from the tested products of Canadian Tire. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, I'm going to open it up using my Mastercraft utility blade holder. And we'll open this up. And we'll see what they have sent us. Oh, it's the Wera toolkit. Nice little box. Open it up and see. Okay, look at this. We have a nice little ratchet and a series of nut drivers. Oh, the clips hold everything in really tight. And now we have a series of Torx screwdriver bits, and Robertson, and Phillips, and straight. Everything folds in, locks up, and also has a clip where you can clip it onto your tool belt or your bag, the strap, and it also comes with a little screwdriver handle. So we're going to be putting this to a test, and I will be back to you in a few minutes. The job I have today is to apply some silicone-based lubricant to the running surface of this treadmill, and in order to do that I have to remove the two end caps and loosen off the bolts that hold the rear roller tension. So to do that I'll be using this new tool that I've received. Okay, we're back, and we have to first of all remove these two end caps, which are held on underneath by two Phillips head screws. So we're going to get this small little driver out, and we're going to select the Phillips head the screw, and we'll, as you can see, I needed something that's small, so this is perfect. And we'll just go underneath here and remove the two screws. That's one. That's the second one, and there we have one side off, and you can see there's the bolt that I have to get at. So I'll just continue on to take the second one off. So now I have both caps removed, and I can see where my bolts are. I've got the area marked so that I know exactly how much tension I need to replace. So now I'm going to go ahead and loosen off the bolts. I'm going to be using the ratchet. It's a very nice ratchet. Very fine tooth, so anyways I have an adapter. So now I'm going to use the ratchet, and we're going to loosen off the tension on this treadmill. Working very nicely, very nice, very fine tooth. And we can back that off all the way. And there we have it. Very nice ratchet, very smooth, and it was quite nice to use. Now I will apply this silicone based lubricant, which I also bought at Canadian Tire, to the under base of the treadmill. Well, the lubrication has been applied to the base of the treadmill, and now we're about to reverse the ratchet and tighten up the tension, bring it back to our original setting. A little bit at each side so it goes evenly. The ratchet is performing very nicely. There. There we have it. Everything's back to the original settings, and we're just ready to put these end caps back on, and we're good to go. So, this is a very, very good addition to anybody's tool kit. Comes in very handy and it works very well.